Hey there, color trend and lucky color awaiters! Andito na naman tayo sa Color of the Year season and this time, nauna na naman ang WGSN and Coloro to announce their Color of the Year 2027 which is the Luminous Blue. Pero wait ha, hindi pa ito ang lucky color of the year at hindi rin ito ang Pantone Color of the Year 2027. This is the color announced by WGSN and Coloro as their pick to be their brand's color of the year for the year 2027. Kung isa kang masugid na taga-subaybay sa trend at forecast ng colors of each year, you will remember na last year ay maaga ding nag-declare ang WGSN and Coloro ng kanilang color of the year 2026 which is the transformative teal. That aqua blue color na maagang pinalabas na siyang lucky color ng year 2026 umano kung kaya't kay rami nang nakabili ng mga New Year shirts at cortina na may teal or aqua blue shades. WGSN and Coloro, by the way, is a leading consumer trend forecasters at isa sila sa pinaka-reliable brands when talking about color trend forecasts. Luminous Blue is noted for its ability to bridge nature with cutting-edge technology. For the year 2027, blue universally symbolizes trust, stability, wisdom, and tranquility. Ito ang isa sa mga pangunahing katangian ng Luminous Blue na marahil ay masyadong kailangan natin to survive the year 2027. Colors definitely has much to influenced us. It magically changed our mood, feelings, at sadyang nakapagpagising ito ng mga emosyon kung kaya't ang tamang kulay sa bawat material at sulok must be placed and chosen according to the feeling that we want to create and achieve. Blue mimics the sky and ocean. It creates a calming psychological effect that lowers stress. However, its dual nature can also represent sadness, aloofness, or coldness. Para naman sa complementary spring and summer color trends, WGSN and Coloro also highlighted energy orange, pop pink, meadowland green, and clay. Ito ang mga kulay na magiging present at kasabay na mamamayagpag kasama ng luminous blue for the year 2027 according to WGSN and Coloro. The 5 colors that will define the spring and summer season sa susunod na taon. The year 2027 will be the year of the fire goat. Will Luminous Blue guard and protect us from the aggressive fire element ng taong 2027? Masyado nang mainit at mapanakit ang taong 2026 na Year of the Fire Horse para sa ating lahat. Mula sa magkabilaang banggaan at gyera, sa mapanalantang mga pagyanig, bagyo at baha, hanggang sa labis na gulo na dulot ng mga katiwalian at di pagkakaintindihan ng ating pamahalaan, we need a certain breather at umaasa tayo na mapagbibigyan tayo ng tamang pananggalang kahit sa simpleng pagpili ng lucky color para sa susunod na taon. Ano nga kaya ang magiging opisyal na Pantone Color of the Year at ano naman kaya ang magiging opisyal na lucky color para sa taong 2027 that will boost our luck para patuloy na mag-survive sa bangis at init ng apoy na dala ng Year of the Fire Goat. Once again, it's me, Gian, and thank you so much for always watching.